So I'm going to take a generous amount of cleansing balm and really massage it into my skin. This is a great way to remove your makeup and kickstart your cleansing routine in the evening, or just to awaken your skin in the morning. So blend the cleansing balm evenly around your face, so you have enough slip to massage and move around the face effortlessly. So now for my second cleanse, I'm going to take a good 10 pence amount of the micro cleanse from FOREO. Blend and massage between your hands, activate and evenly smooth around the face. So I'm going to take my Lunar 3 to really up my cleansing game here, just to really push the cleanser into the skin, and it will help to really dig out any dirt and grime. Now, it's essential to say that you can use any cleanser you have at home. It's about the fact that the Lunar 3 really works to gently buff the surface layer of your skin effortlessly, without any downtime and without the need to use anything gritty and anything overstimulating, leaving any sore patches. As you can see, it's very easy to use, and I'm using it in quite a firm motion here. And I'm going with the contours of the face. Now, a top tip for your Lunar 3 is to massage and to push your active serums into the skin. Now I'm going to use the back of my Lunar 3. I'm going to put my serum generously onto the back, and I'm going to massage and press it into the skin deeper than it would if it was just your hands. Now, in this motion, you're actually stimulating your lymphatic drainage as well, draining any toxins, any fluid inflammation and puffiness from the face. It's a great way to start your day. Thanks so much everyone for watching, and I hope that you can take this routine and perform it yourself at home in the comfort of your own bathroom. And I hope I've introduced you to a couple of new tools that you may want to incorporate and use at home in your daily routines.